Okay, we are lunch break goofing off here at Tennessee State University. We're flying over the ag farm. We took a flight yesterday and the waters had flooded over. I can't tell if it was from the river that crested over or if it was from like the little marsh area that flooded up or it was just ponding. But either way, we're going to see how it's looking today. Fly around and have a beautiful time goofing off on our lunch break. Let's take this bird on up. This flight is cleared through AirMap and I am a Part 107 FAA certificate holder. So let's go.
Takeoff.
So yesterday what happened, it was very interesting. Like where I'm pointing, like right now, that's the athletic training facility, and we got some weird interference from that building yesterday, I suspect. Anyway, it kind of threw off. It's a metal building, and I think it had something to do with the little drift that we felt in the craft yesterday when we were flying it about. So we're going to see if we have a repeat of that today, and we're going to take it up. It's a beautiful day. Cloudy, slightly, I guess overcast is what they would call it, but still you see plenty of blue sky. And let's go. Up, up, and away. See, we're seeing it again. We're seeing that drift. It was like a little drift, like a magnetic pull toward that building. It's straightened on out, but like as if I'm flying it right now, I'm noticing it drifting over that way. It's like the GPS is throwing it off. There we go. Yeah, you see it's pulling it, right? And as it gets away from it, it pulls it together. But I just found it very interesting that it's doing that. So we're plenty high enough to clear everything. Let's take it over from this perspective here. The aircraft still in view. And this is fun. This is what it's all about, guys. So you see the marsh area. Beautiful flight. There's a bird that's taking interest. I can see him from here swooping around it. He's perched up on a light post now. He's left us alone. We're going to try to extend this flight over the Cumberland, and we're still in like a view of it, especially with the anti-collision lights. You can definitely see the craft. And we're over the river. Let's take it over this way. And I'm starting to get a little stutter. Straighten this bird on out a little bit. The water has receded a bit from yesterday. So you see the farm on the right and the Cumberland River on the left. There you go. Looking up, we see the rotating train bridge. So we're getting a little interference on this end, so let's just turn it on around and bring it on back. So you see the city skyline over that way. You see the silos over on the barn there. We're going to circle it on around. You see how the water is pulled up over here on the farm. Sky's looking clear. Everything's looking good as we bring this bird on back. We're going to loop it around. We're going to kind of stay clear. That building is making me nervous the way it has been pulled on. The way that that's my suspicion anyway. It's a large metal building. That's again the athletic indoor training building for the football players. It's a steel building, and I suspect, and I only can suspect that that's to account for that weird drift, it throwing off something with our GPS or our internal compass in the craft, more likely the internal compass. I'm going to bring it up because we are getting closer to the campus, down by the softball field. We want to stay clear of the light posts, and we're well above that right now, so we should be all right. See the softball field over there. Go Big Blue. We're going to slow this roll a little bit. Bring that camera. There's the indoor basketball court in the Gentry Center, where the Tigers play basketball. There's Olympic Circle. And there is the hole, aka Hill Stadium. And we're going to straighten this bird on up. Go up in elevation a wee bit. Circle it around as we fly around these lights. And we're going to bring it on back home. There it is. I see the bird. We're returning home now. Hey, how you doing today, man? That was a fun lunchtime flight, ladies and gentlemen. Bringing it on back now.
Landing. Landing.
A good landing. Let's check the time and see if I'm all perfect. I got 7 minutes to spare on my lunch break. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Keep on flying and live the dream.